Hello, and welcome back to my channel, RottingRed. I am Red. Hi. So lately, well, I asked on my Instagram and my TikTok if people wanted to draw looks for me, so they drew it on I sent them my eye as a template, and then they drew a look with a editing tool or a phone drawing tool. Yeah, and this was one of them, made by this person. I will also leave a link to their Instagram in the comments, in the what is it called? Description? I think it's called description. I'm like, why can't I remember that? But yeah, this is what we are doing today. So let's roll the video. Wait. Let's not roll the video. Thank you for 600 subscribers. That's wild. Now we can roll the video. This is the look. I really love it. Like, it is so pretty. I'm just like, oh my god, this is beautiful. But yeah, I really love it. It feels very me for some reason. They really did a great job drawing that. I'm so happy I decided to do this. I'm actually really enjoying recreating people's drawing as makeup. I think it's really fun, and it's kind of challenging, which is very nice. But yeah, I hope you like this look too, and you should go check out the person who made it, because they do like art stuff, which is fun. We love art stuff. But yeah, what do you guys think of this? Let me know. And if you like this, you should well, if you like this video, you should leave a like. And if you want to see more of my dumbass, maybe with cat ears, who knows, you should subscribe. Yeah, I hope you have a great day, a great week, a great month, and hopefully we will have a great year.